Next, we have Mr. Balwant Megiji, Deputy GM, SJVN Limited.
Hi, everybody. Good afternoon to all, especially Raj Singh Niranjan sir. He is the wonderful communicator, wonderful teacher. He is the special knowledge on the electricity. He has taught us the electricity in a most simplest way, that everybody could understand. Most of the people in this batch are engineers or technocrats sort of thing. Some of people are from the legal fraternity. So generally, technical people feel they lack legal awareness or legal knowledge. So it was the right approach to teach the Electricity Act. A Bare Act, everybody could be everybody can take out from the Bare Act or that provision. They can learn from there. But the interpretation, the examples put forward, the analogy of the marriage analogy in case of the due diligence, so many that practical examples were out of box. As a personal journey, I think in my life this is the third occasion. One in case of the Mahabharata. I was very cautiously or anxiously waiting for the Sunday to come to watch the Mahabharata. Second time was the Sachin's batting in 90s. This third time in my life is the listening or learning day on Saturday from Raj Singh Niranjan. I will miss Raj Singh Niranjan in personal one-to-one touch, but maybe in the social group we will be with other delegates, fellow delegates of 15th ELOC batch. We will be participating in the social group as well. And for the course, the energy capsules, then so many that materials which has been shared, they are very good. We can learn from that documents we have been submitted to us. And the organizing committee, R.K. Tiwari ji, Adib Ghosh ji, Ma'am Shraddha Mumay, lot of things has been said. She has moderated the session so wonderfully. So all in all, these are very enriching experience for all of us, all the delegates participating in this course. I hope that everybody associated in this course will be active in the that social group which has been created by the DGF, and we will share our experiences anytime we have faced the problem. I hope that Raj Singh Niranjan sir will guide us in that social group. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Balwant Negiji, and thank you for immensely. You have been very, very interactive, and that's wonderful. And look forward to interacting with you in future also. And this social group will always be on. Actually, it is group for all the batchmates, so you all can interact with each other and share knowledge. And obviously, we will also give our inputs and whatever new developments happen. Adip, I will request you if there are new developments, maybe you can post those new developments in the group also, and you all can also post it.
Yes.
Thank you for the wonderful feedback.
One more thing, I just forgot. Raj Singh sir has mentioned our company SJVN many times. So as a employee of SJVN, I request all the participant delegates from this ELOC. Actually, SJVN is operating the world's largest tandem operation of Nathpa Jhakri in Rampur. I think the fellow delegates from the UJVN is also there. The Chevro Khodri is there, which was commissioned in 1985. This was the first, India has the first tandem operation plant there. In our case, it is the fully automated power plant. If the pupils come to visit the nature in Kinnaur or Laul Spiti, it's in the way of Kinnaur. So I welcome all of the delegates. Whenever you visit to this Kinnaur or Laul Spiti trip, please visit the powerhouse of SJVN, that Nathpa Jhakri in Rampur, and drop me the message. I will help out everybody whenever somebody is planning to visit the Kinnaur and Laul Spiti as a tourist.
Thank you, Balwant. We all will be happy to visit, bhai.
So after this pandemic, such an invitation was most awaited. I'm sure everybody will be there.
Yes, ma'am. Not an issue, sir. I'll be more happy to guide, help everything about this, sir.
सर तीन कंपनीज को मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, स्पेशल अफेक्शन है मेरा। एक तो SJVN लिमिटेड नंबर 1, क्योंकि उसने हमें जब ब्लैकआउट हुआ था तो SJVN ने हमें बचाया था, पूरे देश को बचाया था इनफैक्ट, और इट इज अचीवमेंट ऑफ SJVN। दूसरी जो कंपनी है वो भाखड़ा बियास मैनेजमेंट बोर्ड। इट हैज ब्रॉट इन द फर्स्ट ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन इन इंडिया, चाहे वो हरियाणा, एंड आई एम सो हम्बल्ड एंड ऑनर्ड एंड दैट SJVN and Bhakra Bias Management Board, और इनका मैं स्टैंडिंग काउंसिल हूँ। आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टू असिस्ट देम इन सो मेनी लीगल मैटर्स, so I'm honored to be the standing counsel of these companies. Third company which I like very much is the Uttarakhand Jal Vidyut Nigam actually. Uttarakhand Jal Vidyut Nigam में जब बादल फटा था तो केदारनाथ का 38 days में अपने सारे पावर प्लांट्स ऑपरेशनल कर लिए थे. इट वाज अ सुपर अचीवमेंट. आई वाज सो इंस्पायर्ड. आई सेड कि भाई बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियों के पावर प्लांट्स बादल फटने के बाद नहीं चल रहे हैं और उत्तराखंड जल विद्युत निगम ने 35 days में ऑपरेशनल कर लिए पावर प्लांट. सो मतलब these are the achievements which are not seen and heard by the people across in the power sector. These should be recorded somewhere actually. With this back to you, Shraddha, with this. Okay.
Thank you, sir. And Balwant sir, if there's an award for the most active participative delegate, that goes to you undoubtedly. So thank you so much for